You need to watch this if you struggle with getting a natural makeup look that works for any occasion. I'm here to show you how to nail it every single time. First things first, hydration. I'm starting with a lightweight moisturizer to keep my skin fresh and plump, followed by a primer for that smooth, long-lasting base. Next up, light coverage foundation or BB cream. I love using this product because it evens out my complexion without feeling heavy. I'm blending it in with a damp sponge for that seamless, natural look. Now it's time to conceal and brighten. Just a touch of concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes, blending it out for a flawless yet natural effect. To set everything in place, I'm lightly dusting a translucent powder over my T-zone and under my eyes. This helps control shine and keeps my makeup looking fresh all day without the cakey feel. Now let's add a pop of color with some blush. A soft peachy or pink blush on the apples of my cheeks brings life back to the skin, giving that youthful glow. Brows time. I'm lightly defining mine with a brow pencil to keep them looking natural but polished. For eyes, a neutral eyeshadow shade and a coat of mascara to open up my eyes. Finally, lips. I'm keeping it simple with a nude lipstick for that soft, effortless finish. And there you have it, quick, fresh, and easy. And we're done! This is my go-to everyday makeup look. Light, effortless, and perfect for any occasion. What's your must-have product for a natural glam? Comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy makeup tutorials.